Hello everyone, welcome to Prakriti's Art and Creation. Today I am going to show you an easy step-by-step landscape for beginners. So now let's enjoy the coloring. As you can see, I have already done the background coloring. So now I am applying the color to create the trees. Now I am adding some detailings of these trees. Once you have done, now let's add some highlights over the trees. I am using small tip flat brush for that. It's very important to add some reflection of the trees on the river. Light and shadow both will give your painting not only a beautiful look, but it also gives a realistic touch to your painting as well. Now let's paint the clouds to look the sky attractive. Paint the clouds with soft strokes and blend it properly. This technique helps you to achieve a soft look. As you can see, along with the moon, I am also create the reflection on the water. As this is a moonlit night, so I am using the blue color more. It's almost ready. Now you can add some finishing touch to your painting. Now it's ready. Here's the complete look of Moonlit Night landscape painting. So guys, how it is? If you like my painting, share your view on the comment section below. For more exciting and easy painting, do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.